What I'm gonna have you do, we're gonna find a spot where I can pull into, and you're gonna set up the camera. You're not gonna hold it, you're gonna set it up to see me pull in. There's a spot right there. So jump out of the car.
I just be jumping right in. I put that hoe in a friend. Ayy, say you been down for the jump, but shawty, where you been? Ayy, she just gon' roll with us. She just gon' roll it up. Ayy, we just been blowing loud. I cannot sober up. Ayy, I just be jumping right in. I put that hoe in a friend. Ayy, say you been down for the jump, but shawty, where you been? Ayy.
No way.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if it follows the car. All right, here we go.
Oh yeah, it sees it.
Is it following it? No, it's not picking that car. God dang it. These people are probably like, what the fuck is he doing? Will it hit a tree?
The car behind you.
I know.
I can see on the drone.
Ayy, say you been down for the jump.
Car! Success!